Hey guys, what's going on? It is your realtor Nick Isgro with eXp Realty here in Central Maine. I am super excited to bring this offering to you today. This is at 190 Corson Road here in the town of Mercer, Maine, surrounded by beautiful pastures. There's a farm up the street with a farm-to-table restaurant, fields, forests, lakes, you name it, you are right in the heart of it here in Mercer, Maine on this beautiful property. It has 2 big bedrooms upstairs, has a large downstairs, a 3-season porch on the backyard, lots and lots of spacious room outside the home. We're gonna go in today and give you an exclusive tour of this home. Take a look for yourselves. This is definitely not gonna last long on the market, especially given the fact that it is has over 8 acres of land, which is really rare in this price category right now in Central Maine, particularly in the Kennebec County area. There is almost nothing like it. So come on inside, we're gonna take a look. I hope you enjoy the tour. If you do want to reach out to me, if you're looking for a private tour, all my contact information is gonna be in the information on this post. Reach out, give it a view, tell me what you think, and without any further ado, I'm gonna present to you now 190 Corson Road in Mercer, Maine.